Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you the last step of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So, after you finished all the other stages, you'll get one of 4 cases. So, you'll either have this case where you need to swap these 2 edges and these 2 edges. This case where you need to swap these 2 edges and these 2 edges. This case where you'll need to do a anti-clockwise cycle of these 3 edges, and the last one is a clockwise cycle of those 3 edges. So there's 2 algorithms for this step, and let's just start with this one. So for this algorithm we want to go like this. Like that. So yeah, and now this is the anti-clockwise cycle, so you just got to look to see which way it goes. So you might have noticed that both of these algorithms are similar. It's just one goes left and one goes right. So how I remember it is the clockwise one, you got to have this edge to go there, so you go to the left, so left, and then the same as everything else, and then you'd go left again because you want to go to the left and back. And then if we want to go the anti-clockwise cycle, I gotta remember this one has to go to the right. Oh yeah, by the way, we face this to the back, and then there. Oh, and I gotta go to the right, do the rest of my alg, and then I gotta go to the right again and solve it like that. So those were the 3 edge cycles, and then there's these 2, which is the 4 edge cycles. So for both of these, you can face it any way that you want, and then do either one, whichever one you like better. So I personally like the clockwise one better, so we'll just do that, and then we've got another one. So now we've got the anti-clockwise cycle, so we'll go that, and then it's solved. And then this is a rare one, but quite good. There's an algorithm to solve this instantly, but this is the most algorithm efficient beginner's way. So so we can go whichever one we want. I'll do anti-clockwise this time. And then we face this at the back, a block at the back, and then we want to go clockwise, so we'll go and then it's solved. So I hope that now you know how to solve the whole Rubik's Cube. I'll have a link in the description for all the previous videos, so you can watch them and learn how to solve it. Thank you, and bye.